Start with the great name of Allah, who the most kind and most merciful. As you today, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Abdul Rashid, roll number 2K19, Ladkana English 2, subject language skills, listening and speaking skills. Concern teacher Mr. Zishan Aman Sheikh, class BS English 2K19, part 2, department English language and literature. My presentation topics are types of listening, intensive listening with mixed techniques, speaking skills and speaking skills required in a meeting. Let's we are get started our topics from first. My first topic is types of listening. There are four types of listening. Number first is discriminative listening. Number second is comprehensive listening. Number fourth is critical listening. Number third is information listening, and number fourth is critical listening. This is graph of four types of listening. Now first we should know that what is listening. Listening is a make an effort to hear something. Whenever we are hearing something, it is called listening. Now, what are the listening skills? The ability to accurately receive and interpret message in the communication process, effective listening, communication process. That means whenever we are receive and interpret message in communication process is called listening skills. That means effective listening. Number first type of listening is discriminative listening. What is discriminative listening? To make differentiate between childhood listening and adult listening. Now, what is childhood listening? Childhood listening based on practice. As he more practice, as he will more listen. And adult listening based on ability development. Ability means as he had a good ability, he can listen good and speak as well good. Now, what is differentiate between them? A child is based on practice and an adult is based on ability development. This is discriminative listening. Number second is comprehensive listening. When we listen and try to understand a topic or message, that means after listening we are trying to understand and get topic or message. Which topic? Which is conversation between two men. What was their topic and what topic they were speaking on, and involves understanding the message or messages that are being communicated, and they will involve what is the message and what they are communicated between them. It is known as comprehensive listening. Number third is informational listening. What informational listening? It is it is also cleared from its type. It's also clear from its type. Information means the listening which which give us information about information. When we listen, try to understand and get it completely is called informational listening. Now, for example, we are listening a movie or a story of English. After listening, we will try to understand and get it what was information in it. After getting information, it is known as informational listening. And second point is we get informational listening after comprehensive listening. Informational listening is a is a we get is a got after comprehensive listening. And number fourth one is critical listening. Critical listening usually involves some sort of problem solving decision making. That means critical listening usually involves some sort problems in which we sort the problems of each other and discuss. Critical listening is much more active behavior than informational listening. That means it is more active behavior from informational listening. It is most most good most most good. Now these were four types of listening. Now we are going to forward another topic. Our second topic is listening and mixed techniques. Number first type is a pictureless listening language. We will learn what is pictureless language. Number second is pictureless listening with music. That how we listen pictureless with music. Number third is pictureless listening sound effect. Number fourth is picture or speech. Number fifth is subtitles. Now we are going to comprehend and see these types in next slide. Number first, the pictureless listening language. The teacher or trainer cover the screen and they all listen to a dialogue and have to guess. That means when a teacher or trainer cover the screen and tells us, and after listening the all listeners and students have to guess the dialogue that what will do now. Okay, it was pictureless listening. Pictureless is listening without picture. We have to guess. Okay. Number second is pictureless listening music. When an expert small part of long written book or movie has a prominent music track, the student and trainers can listen to it and say what kind of scene they think it accompanies and where it is taking place. It is also second part of pictureless listening with music. Number third is pictureless listening sound effects. The students learners can listen to the sound effect to guess the what is happening. After that they have to tell a story they think they just heard. When we are watching a movie, that we will notice that wow, what a shot. when we are when we are watching TV and the cricket is going on, so we will say what a shot. And after the cricket, another example of movie, and when when one is sad or angry in drama or movie, ouch, bomb, and these are the blast. These are the sound effect. We will understand it clearly. Number fourth is picture or speech. The student or trainee are divided in two teams. Means that are divided in two teams. One is T1 and second is T2. So the team 1 faces the screen and the team 2 faces away. Team 1 has to tell what is going on T2. It is a picture in which we are telling to what is going on. It was the topic, and we are going on next topic. No, one topic remains. Subtitles. Our student learners can watch a film with subtitles, or we can make them watch it with the sound turned off. Our student learners can watch a film with subtitles, or we can make them watch it with the sound turned off, as shown as in picture. Number third topic is speaking skills. Number first is interactive. Number second is partially interactive. Number third is non-interactive. This graph shows the speaking skills, types of speaking skills. Before going to types of speaking skills, we should know that what is speaking. An act of making vocal sounds. An act of making vocal sounds means to converse, to conserve, or expressing one's thought and feeling in spoken language. One's thought and feelings in spoken language it is known as a speaking skills. Speaking skills, ability to communicate effectively, to convey message in a passionate, thoughtful and convincing manner, help to assure that one's won't be misunderstood by those who listening. Number first type is interactive, face-to-face conversation and phone sale. This type is concerned with speaking of face to face. When two body meets with each other, they hugged each other, and they after that they speak with each other. It is known as interactive. And when we are speaking at cell phone with the friends, family, and etc., it is known as interactive listening. Number second is partially interactive, giving speech to a live audience on TV. Whenever a person who's giving a speech on TV or a mobile online, from which we cannot speak or we cannot ask a question, it is known as a partially interactive. Audience does not interrupt the speech, and that means we cannot just interpret the speech that what is this is not in simple words. We cannot ask question from speaker. It is known as partially interactive. Number third is non-interactive. This is example of radio. When we are radio, we cannot interact the broadcaster. Means it is a recording a speech for a radio broadcast. The radio broadcaster first they record a speech, and they after that they broadcast it. These were the types of speaking skills. Now we are going to head our fourth topic. Our fourth topic is speaking skills required in meeting. That means what are the speaking skills are required in a meeting. Whenever we are sitting in meeting, how should we speak, how should we understand, how should we listen, and this is the speaking skills required in meeting. And as shown in graph, the first is talk to the entire group. Number second is reach out and encourage feedback. Number third is mirror the tenor of the meeting. Number fourth is don't be time hog. Number first type is talk to the entire group. When we are sitting in a meeting, we have to talk, means all the member of the groups. When speaking in the group,